Hey everyone, I'm Gaylor with Gaylor Property Service, and this morning it has been raining and storming. So it's currently raining right now, and during rainy days like this, I still try to do some jobs, like if I have them. What I do is I prefer to haul rock and things like that. I also do junk removal, and I've done some brush removal in the rain as well, but I probably wouldn't do that in the storms. And I wouldn't haul like mulch and compost and topsoil and that kind of stuff. The kind of material that's going to get really heavy with the rain and wetness. So today I've got a gravel haul, and what I do is, of course the rain doesn't affect gravel. But what I do is I get with the customer and make sure it's not going in their yard or anything where I need to go like off-road or off our driveway. I don't want to destroy their yard or get stuck. So today this person's gravel is going in their gravel driveway, so it should be perfect. It could still be slick and stuff and have to use four-wheel drive, but I shouldn't get stuck or nothing like that in a gravel driveway, I wouldn't think. So I guess the main things I try to do in the rain is junk removal still, if I have to. And I mean, I don't mind doing stuff in the rain, but I do junk removal and hauling rock and gravel and I guess the hard materials that's not going to soak up any rain. Some people, they may not work at all in the rain. I don't know. I mean, they may not want to get out and dump their trailer or chance tearing up somebody's yard or driveway or anything like that. But to me, I'd rather do the job and get it done and get paid and everything instead of putting it off for the rain. Because I mean, also some customers, they want it that day and they don't want to wait. Well, they don't want to, you make them wait because of the weather. So today, hauling gravel in the rain. We're headed to the quarry in Harriman right now to get our gravel. They load in the rain and they don't stop or anything because of the rain either, so why should you? Good thing about going to this quarry today with it raining, I just washed my truck 2 days ago, I guess, and this is probably the cleanest quarry to go to, so shouldn't get it too muddy and nasty. So I'm thankful about that. Over here is the crush and run. That's what I normally get for the most jobs. And straight ahead is the 57s we're getting. Customer wanted a little bit bigger gravel. I think 57s are about 3/4 of an inch. Go back over the scales now and see what we loaded. We were 10,440 empty. We are 14,960. So about 4,500 pounds or so. It's pretty good. Right on 2 tons, a little bit more. Alright, let's go back here and put our tarp over our gravel. There's the number 57s. It's pretty good size. They're at least about 3/4 of an inch though, like they said. Let's see. Get our tarp put over it. Put it under a hook here. Put it under this hook. This one's a little pain. That did easy that time. This chain, it comes off quite often. Just have to put it back up here. Hopefully it'll stay. There it is, all tarped up, so hopefully nothing flies out, hits anybody's windows or anything like that. There we go. There's the trailer all ready and headed to the customer. That's how much 2 tons of gravel looks like. It's not much in my little trailer. Truck got a little dirty. Not too bad though. It'd be a whole lot worse at the landfill. So we got, let's see, 2.26 tons, so about 2 1/4, and that was 53.83. This job is 170. That's what I charge for it. Customer's about 25 minutes away or so. Not too bad. So, pretty good profit. I like doing these gravel jobs. They're usually pretty quick and easy and simple and decent money. I mean, for anything I haul, I try to make $125. That's my hauling fee pretty much. I don't charge anything on the material, just to haul it. So we're in Harriman now, but we're headed to Harriman, but it's not really Harriman, if that makes sense. It's actually closer to Watburg. It's in Morgan County, where I live. It's actually the Mossy Grove area. That's where Beverly grew up, so it's where her parents live. dropped off the gravel, leaving the customer's house now. She wasn't home, but her kid was home, so she told me where her mom wanted it. So it was actually a loop around driveway area, so I didn't even have to back up or anything. I just looked around, dumped it, and then using my House Call Pro app, I sent the customer invoice with a link to pay. So she just paid while she's at work with her credit card. Super easy, super simple. She didn't have to be home, nothing like that. Someday I'll probably do a video on House Call Pro and why I use it and what I like about it and what I don't like. So far it's been working pretty well for me. I don't do a whole lot of credit card deals or credit card payments, I guess, but it's nice having a way to do it and a secure and like professional looking way of doing it. So actually I looked up and it quit raining as soon as I got here, so I didn't even have to do this in the rain. It was all still wet and everything, but it's not rainy. So got my rain suit on, rain jacket, so I was prepared. But you can do this in the rain. I do this in the rain, and so can you. Don't let a little bit of rain and wetness scare you. Just be smart about it and don't go down any muddy roads or like go in people's yards and stuff like that in the rain, because you're going to tear it up and they probably won't like it unless you okay it with them and they don't care. And you gotta be careful about getting stuck. So just pick and choose what jobs you do in the rain and the bad weather, but don't let it stop you from getting out there and making money and growing your business. So thanks for watching, and see y'all next time. And remember, Jesus loves you.